In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see all posts you have liked on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Facebook profile page. Then tap at these three dots. And that's where we can easily find activity log. First off, we need to enter activity log. Then tap at your activity across Facebook. Tap right here to expand it. At the very top, we can easily find comments and reactions. We need to expand that option. And then down below here, we can easily find likes and reactions. If we tap at likes and reactions, we'll be taken to that page where we can easily find all the posts we've liked and reacted on Facebook. If you would like to, let's say, remove some like, you need to select posts from which you would like to remove likes, and then just hit right there at remove. It will ask you, are you sure you want to remove interactions? To continue, tap at remove, and then all the selected likes will be removed from the posts. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.